Date is date 16 in Algebra 2. It's Thursday, August 28th. And the notes that we took today are about how to graph on a calculator, on a TI-84 calculator. We talked about how we can only graph equations that start with y equals. So we just ran through a quick example of how to rearrange an equation if it's not already that way. And then we went through the steps of how to graph. So I'm just going to flash this on the screen and we're going to do some examples of that. And these are the problems that you've been working on. So number one, I'm going to go to y equals and type negative x plus 3. And then 0.75x minus 4. I will go to my graph and I see both of my lines. And then I'm going to follow these steps. I went to my graph. Now I hit second, the blue button. I hit trace next to graph. And I want to go to 5, intersect. So I can just click the number 5. It will ask me first curve, I'll hit enter. Second curve, I'll hit enter again. Yes, I'll hit enter one more time. And the answer to number 1, your intersection should be x is 4, y is negative 1. What the heck? 4, negative 1. And if you get a different number, go through the process again and make sure you're typing it in correctly. If you cannot get these numbers the second time through, let me know and we will talk about it. Just circle the ones that might be incorrect and we can look after we get all of them. So I'm going to do number 2 now. I'll go back to y equals. Clear everything. Now I have 0.5x plus 1 and negative 0.5x plus 3. Now, I did type these in the opposite order. That's okay. You can do that. It doesn't matter what's y1 and y2. Both of them will get graphed regardless. So I went to my graph. I have here my lines, and now I follow these steps again. Second, trace, 5. Just hit enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And your next answer should be x is 2, y is 2.
Yep, I got that one.
Good.
And see, and I got a different answer for number 5 again, too.
Huh.
For number 1.
Were you able to get the 4, negative 1?
No.
Type it in again and see if you can get this.
So if I got negative 1.5 and then 4.5.
Okay, so go back to y equals and type your equations again and go through the process again and see maybe something was typed wrong the last time.
Mm-hmm.
See if you can get the 4 and negative 1.
Yeah, it's typed exactly like that.
Okay, so you have typed negative x plus 3 and 0.75x minus 4. Okay, so now, let's see.
Did you graph?
Let me type it again. Negative x plus 3. 0.75x minus 4 graph.
Oh, so you're not putting a 0 in?
You can put a 0 or you don't have to. It should.
Yeah, I'm gonna try without the 0 because I keep getting a different answer. That's negative 4.
I put it with the 0 and
yeah,
I still got the
it should
answer.
still work with the 0. So now we'll go through that process again. Second, trace 5. Enter, enter, enter. 4, negative 1 is what you should get. Did you get it that time?
Second. 5. Enter, enter. No. Negative 1.5.
Bring me your calculator. Let me look at it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get some more answers for us. Y equals, I'll do number 3. Your lines are different because my graph doesn't look the same as your graph. So we'll go to y equals. think it's because you have -4 instead of. Trays. 5.
Okay.
There you go. You got it. You got it. So make sure that if it says -4 at the end, it's a minus sign, not a negative. If your x is negative, use the negative sign.
So instead of it being -4, it's just -4.
-4, yes.
Gotcha.
Yes, yes.
I
Perfect.
think that's where I'm messing up.
I think so too.
Putting the negative.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I'll look at number 3, y equals, I have 1.5x -4. And then I have 0.25x plus 1. Graph. Here's my lines.
Second trace.
Second trace. 5.
Intersect.
Enter, enter, enter. And we should get, for number 3, 4 is our x, 2 is our y.
Yeah, okay. Then again, I got another answer.
Number 4, I'm going to type these in. So I'll go back to y equals. Figure it out. Okay, 0.75x -4, and then negative 0.75x plus 2. Graph. Second trace, 5. Enter, enter, enter. For number 4, you should have gotten x is 4, y is -1. Now we'll check number 5. Y equals, clear it out. Now I have -x plus 2 and 4x -3. Graph. Okay. Then we'll do the same process. Second trace, 5. Enter, enter, enter. 1, 1.
Okay.
I'm down as one in the class, I'm getting.
Oh, quit. You are not.
It was the way I was putting them in.
I guess so. Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Yeah, sometimes I was putting negative
Right.
and it was subtraction.
Okay, let's look at number 6.
That's easily.
Clear it out. So number 6, I have -0.5x plus 1. And -2.5x -3. I'll graph those. Second trace. Well, I guess I gotta wait. Second trace, 5. Enter, enter, enter. -2, +2 for number 6. Okay. 2 more. Clear. Y equals, clear now. -x plus 2. 0.5x -4. Graph. On number 7.
-4.
Second trace, 5. Enter, enter, enter. 4, -2.
Backwards.
That's what I got.
You got it backwards.
Yeah.
And we'll do number 8. Y equals, clear them. -x. What'd you say?
Fine and easy.
Good, good. -x -2. Arrow down, -6x plus 3. Graph it. Here we go. Second trace, 5. Enter, enter, enter. 1, -3.
Yep.
Is number 8. Okay, so that is our little introduction to solving systems of equations using your graphing calculator. So I'm going to display these answers for you to check your work. Once you have all of these and you are able to correctly get these to show on your screen, you are free to go and have a good weekend.
Yeah.
I would love if you would check in with me before you go so that I can tell you your overall grade and if you're missing anything. But once you've got that squared away, that is all for the first half of Algebra 2.
Yeah.
The end.